Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to stream Google Chrome on Discord. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you have both Discord and Google Chrome open on your computer. Having both applications running simultaneously is essential for the streaming process to work properly. Form, Fieten and Dund and Dohanuad. After selecting your server, you'll need to join a voice channel. Voice channels are typically found under a voice channels category within your server. Simply click on any voice channel to join it, and you'll see your profile appear in that channel, indicating you're connected. Now that you're in a voice channel, look for the share screen icon near the bottom of your Discord window. This icon is usually located in the voice connection panel, right next to other controls like your microphone and speaker settings. Click on the share screen icon to open the screen sharing options. This is what allows you to broadcast your screen to other members in the voice channel. A window will pop up showing all the applications and screens currently available for sharing. You'll see different tabs at the top, typically including screens and individual application windows. Navigate through these options and locate Google Chrome from the list of available applications. Once you find it, click on Google Chrome to select it as your streaming source. This ensures that only your Chrome browser window will be visible to others, rather than your entire desktop. After selecting Google Chrome, Discord will immediately begin streaming your browser to everyone in the voice channel. They'll be able to see everything you do within Chrome in real time, whether you're browsing websites, watching videos, or presenting content. The stream quality will depend on your internet connection and Discord's automatic optimization. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Chrome streaming on Discord, allowing you to share your browsing experience with others in your voice channel. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.